We guide you through how to back up chats to Google Drive. First thing you need to do is install your Google Drive app from the App Store and sign in with your Google account. Next, open the messaging app when your chats are stored and export the conversation you want to back up by selecting Export Chat or Share Chat from the chat settings. When the share options appear, choose Save to Drive and select the folder where you want the backup stored. You can upload the chat as text file or include media if the option is available. And make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi Fi and has enough storage during the upload. And once completed, your chat file will be saved securely on the Google Drive and accessible anytime from your Google account on any device.